Last week, markets digested news flow out of the Middle East and the Federal Reserve's decision to keep the overnight rate unchanged. In the week ahead, investors will remain focused on headlines, whether that be news on the Israel-Iran conflict or updates on potential U.S. trade deals, not to mention tax legislation working its way through Congress and a number of Fed policymaker speeches. In the hard data, investors will be closely watching Friday's May personal income and spending report. Both income and spending are expected to grow modestly. Importantly, this report contains the Fed's preferred inflation measure, the PCE deflator. And in last week's updated projections, Fed policymakers revised up their inflation forecast for this year, signaling greater uncertainty around the inflation outlook. May's consumer price index was below expectations. Does this week's data follow suit? Consensus expects the core PCE deflator to rise 2.6% year over year. Earlier in the week, the housing market will be in focus. May existing home sales on Monday, the April Case-Shiller Home Price Index on Tuesday, and May's new home sales report on Wednesday. Just last week, May housing starts to disappoint to the downside. Does this week's data show any sign of improvement? So items to watch this week: 1. Geopolitical headlines. 2. Personal income and spending. 3. Housing data.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons referenced, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth FCW is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bancshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bancshares are the entities through which FCW products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA, and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through FCIS, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals in all jurisdictions or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through FCIS, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and SVB, a division of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. For more information about FCIS, FCAM, or SVBW and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.